What is up guys, StudyTech Now here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to system restore your computer. But before we go ahead and do that, let's ask ourselves what is actually a system restore. It's basically taking your computer states to its previous state, like in previous time traveling in the past, let's say. Why would you want to do it? Let's say you have installed a program that's affecting your other programs or making your computer run slow and you want to get rid of it, or you want everything to go right like it was before. What you could do is go ahead and click on Start, go into Control Panel, and from Control Panel you could go ahead and click on System and Security. We will click on System then, and from here we will go ahead and click on System Protection right here. So as you can see, this whole tab is basically dedicated to system restore. These are the available drives that are on and off for the protection. Since C drive contains the Windows, it's always the best idea to keep it on. If you want to turn it on for the other drive, you may. Over here in this tab, you could go ahead and click and configure the settings of the C drive. So it gives you three options: restore system settings in previous version of files, only restore previous versions of files, or turn off the system protection. Uh, Over here, as you can see, you have max usage. It's basically dedicated space from the C drive to, like, if you want to give maybe more space to your system restore points, so Windows can store more points. Over here, we could go ahead and create our own. So for example, let's go ahead and create our own restore point. And I'm just gonna name this application installed. Click create. It says creating a restore point, and it was successfully created. Awesome. So over here, to make sure that it was actually created, I'm just going to go ahead and click to the system restore, click next. And as you can see over here, this is the one that we just created, application installed. This is the time, and the type is manual. I created this manually, so it was successful. We just go ahead and close this. Uh, from here, what we could do is go ahead and open the control panel again. We will go into programs, and from programs we will go into turn Windows feature on and off. I'm gonna go ahead and click on Internet Information Services, which is the IIS. I'm just gonna click OK. It's gonna tell me to please wait. To make the changes, I'm just gonna go ahead and restart my computer. So as you can see, I just restarted my computer and all the changes have been made. What I'm gonna do now is click on start and type here http localhost / localhost. I'm just gonna run it. It's gonna show me my localhost web page, the welcome page. As you can see here, it's working. So I'm just gonna go ahead and close this. So now I'm gonna go ahead and open up a notepad and create a text file to see if it will stay there after the restore. This is just an example, so I'm just going to go ahead and write this is a test of the restore point. I'm going to go ahead and click Save As. Name this to restore point test file. It is in documents, so it's going to stay there, hopefully. What I'm going to do now is open up the control panel and go into System and Security. From System and Security, I'm going to go into Administrative Tools to see if my IIS is available, which is right here, as you can see, Internet Information Services. I could go ahead and click on here, see everything is good. Just close this. I could close this as well. What I'm gonna do is basically go ahead and type here system restore, or you could go ahead and do it by the accessories, all program accessories, system tools, and system restore. You could go ahead and click choose the recommended store, or if you have manual one created, or if you want to go back in time to a certain point, you could go ahead and choose a different restore point and click next. As you can see, this one was created by the Windows itself, which is like 1 minute after mine. I'm gonna go ahead and click select mine and click next. It will give me a more warning. Once started, system restore cannot be interrupted. Do you want to continue? I'm gonna say yes. And now it's restarting my computer. So as you can see, guys, it was the system restore completed successfully. I get this notification. I can just go ahead and close this. But let's see if our file and the IIS that we enabled is still there or no. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Control Panel again, go into System and Security, and from there I'm going to go ahead and go into Administrative Tool. So as you can see here, the Internet Information Services is not there. It's not available here. It was before, as you can see. It's not there anymore because the Windows restored itself. But is our text file, which we saved, is still there or no? Still here. Hey, awesome. So as you can see, all the contents are still there and saved. System restore does not affect your pictures or maybe videos or music or documents. Anything important if it's safe, and if you have deleted something and you want to restore it, that might not work. System restore won't work against viruses, uh, but it can make, let's say, it's pretty good. It's not a long-term solution for your Windows, but for a short amount of time, it's a really nice way to restore and go back in time and make sure everything is fast and everything is working properly. Thank you so much for watching the video. Like it if you liked it, dislike it if you disliked it. Leave a comment in the section below. Give me